Hey gearheads, Jay Lino here. Today we're diving into the world of Tesla batteries. These aren't just any batteries, they're the powerhouse behind your electric vehicle. They're the heart of your electric beast, providing the energy needed to keep you moving smoothly and efficiently. Just like a classic car engine, you gotta keep that battery in tip-top shape. Regular maintenance and checkups are crucial to ensure it performs at its best. Good battery health means you can drive farther, charge faster, and enjoy your Tesla for years to come. Imagine taking those long scenic road trips without a hitch, knowing your battery is reliable. Think of it like this: a healthy battery is a happy battery. Keeping it in good condition ensures longevity and optimal performance. And a happy battery means a happy driver. So, take care of your Tesla battery and it will take care of you, making every drive a pleasure. Now, how do you check your Tesla battery's health? Easy peasy. Tesla gives you some slick tools right on your touchscreen. Go to Software and then Additional Vehicle Information. You'll see Battery. Click it. This screen tells you everything. You'll see your battery's range and overall health. It's like a high-tech gas gauge for your electric ride. Keep an eye out for any warning signs. Your Tesla is smart, but it still needs your attention. Just like your classic car might sputter and cough when it's not feeling well, your Tesla battery will give you hints if something's wrong. Pay attention to these subtle cues. Is your range dropping fast? This could be a sign that your battery is not holding a charge as well as it used to. Is your Tesla taking forever to charge? Slow charging times can indicate that your battery is struggling. Those are signs your battery might need some TLC. Don't panic. It's a common issue and can be addressed. Just take your Tesla to a Tesla service center. The experts there know exactly what to do. They'll get your battery back in shape, ensuring your Tesla runs smoothly and efficiently once again. Section 4. Battery life hacks. Drive smart, charge smarter. Owning a Tesla is not just about driving a car. It's about embracing a smarter, more efficient way of life. Want your Tesla battery to last longer than a tank of gas in a Hummer? It's all about how you drive and how you charge. Here are some hot tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Whether it's the scorching heat of the desert or the freezing cold of winter, extreme temperatures can take a toll on your battery. Don't leave your Tesla baking in the sun all day. Parking in the shade or using a sunshade can help maintain your battery's health. And try not to drain the battery completely too often. Keeping your battery level between 20% and 80% can significantly extend its lifespan. When it's time to charge, use Tesla superchargers whenever you can. They are not only convenient, but also optimized for your battery's longevity. They're designed to give your battery the perfect juice. So, drive smart, charge smarter, and enjoy the ride with peace of mind, knowing your Tesla is in top shape. Section 5. Healthy battery, happy driver. Remember folks, a healthy battery is the key to unlocking the full potential of your Tesla. By following these simple tips, you can keep your Tesla running smoothly for miles and miles. It's like having a classic car that never needs an oil change. So get out there, enjoy the open road, and keep those batteries charged.